Hi friends and family. I just wanted to show you that cooking in an RV is the same as cooking in the home. Carlos is still eating like a king. Anyways, I'm going to show you a really inexpensive meal that you can put in the slow cooker and it'll be done by 3 o'clock today. And it's very healthy for you. So let's get started. First, you want to start with a 2.5 pound chuck roast, and you're going to salt and pepper it on both sides, and you're going to fry the heck out of it. It needs to be fried in order for it to taste really good. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So after that's done, into the slow cooker it goes. And I fried it with olive oil, so in that goes as well. With all the delicious juices. Now, you can put any kind of vegetables you want. Mainly it's carrots and potatoes. So what I have here is I have some celery I'm going to put in. I have some potatoes I'm going to put in. I have some carrots I'm going to put in. And I'm going to spice it up a little bit with some dried peppers. Any kind of dried peppers will do. That will give it a nice little flavored kick. And I also had a half of pepper here, so I'm going to throw that in there so it doesn't go to waste. And I almost forgot, onions. I'm going to put an onion in there. I'm going to just cube it. I'm not going to cut it small or anything. I'm just going to put cubes. Okay. And I bought this yesterday at Walmart. This is my absolute favorite. I think it's called Kobayashi squash. It's the most delicious squash. I love it. So there you have it. That's a wonderful recipe for your family. Just whatever you have in the refrigerator that's left over, you can even throw that in there. You can put green beans in there and anything. I'm a queen of leftovers. Okay, I'm very good making leftover foods. I repurpose them, and Carlos loves them. And like I said, he eats like a king. I'm going to talk to you about the seasonings I use. You can also put garlic in there. I forgot the garlic, so I'm going to go get the garlic and put that in. And then we're going to talk about what seasonings I'm going to put in there. I'll be right back. If you have seasonings, what I like to put is oregano. oregano, just a little bit of oregano gives it a unique flavor. Turmeric. This is great for inflammation. And then I'm gonna also put some bay leaves in there. So just a couple of bay leaves gives it a little extra flavor. Here we go, we're done. Let's check it out. Okay. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, let's put a light on here. Can you see in there? Are you able to see? All right, well, now I'm gonna go ahead and fish everything out. Okay, put all the vegetables in one. Oh, look at how beautiful. And I already added a little bit of salt. Oh, this is going to be absolutely delicious. I may want to reduce the juice a little bit and add some cornstarch to thicken it up. That's always a possibility. So let's just get all the veggies out first. Looks beautiful. Okay. This is enough for 2 days. So Carlos will be eating leftovers tomorrow night. That is if we don't go out to eat. Well, we went out for lunch yesterday. Okay, this dish is getting awfully heavy. Okay, so we're gonna put this on our table. Oh, actually I need to get some, oh, right there. Let's go for the meat.
Okay.
There's some meat there. I'm gonna probably reduce this down a bit.
Carol's 3-hour TV disconnected. Ready to connect.
No, I forgot to shut my speaker off. Okay, so here's your meat. So what I have here is water and about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I got the juice from the meat and the vegetables. Carlos, you want to take a peek at that? And I'm reducing it here in the fire. So you see it's kind of reduced. And I want to add a little bit of cornstarch, just a little bit, to thicken it up a bit. Okay? So it'll be nice and thick. Gravy. Be nice and, that's thick. Maybe a tiny bit more. Okay, you never know how much you're gonna need. I always over make. So that looks really, really good. Cook that a little bit longer. And then we're gonna strain it. We're gonna strain it, but Carlos is gonna help me with that because I don't wanna spill. It's very hot. So I will film him helping me do that. Okay, I will say that's done. Okay, so that's done. Okay, my turn.
I mean, your turn.
Okay, so Carlos is gonna strain the gravy and then we're gonna be ready to eat. That's gonna be some good gravy for our meat. Oop. Puppy, if you take a spoon, there's a spoon over there. Let me get you a spoon. And then just, yeah. There you go. That'll work. That's probably good.
You don't want to waste anything.
Well, I got another whole pot of juice over there.
Okay.
So I'll put this on the table. So we are ready to eat. There's our gravy. And we are ready to eat. Looks so good. You just said what? The gravy's great.
The gravy is just excellent. That meat is really, really good. So I get some here. Get some carrots on it. That is so good.